Hi everyone, I'm Laura Vandeford and I want to share with you a new line of permanent jewelry by JBloom called PermaLinx. Permanent jewelry is the hottest trend in jewelry right now. PermaLinx is a simple, secure, affordable system to help you get started in your own permanent jewelry business. With PermaLinx, there is no need to invest in expensive equipment to get started. With this business, you can get started for only $175. We provide all the training, social media graphics, and support to answer all the questions you'll have to get your business off to an amazing start. PermaLinx specializes in high-quality stainless steel chains that will not tarnish or fade. This is so important because permanent jewelry is a reminder of a special occasion or event that you will carry with you every day. Our newest collection adds 9 new styles of chains available in silver, gold, rose gold, and black stainless steel. We also have chain options for anklets, necklaces, and charms. But what sets us apart is the personalization. We now have the option to personalize our permanent jewelry. All of this on top of our incredible prices. The best part about PermaLinx is that it's so portable. You can carry your entire business in a wallet. Carry this to work, on the soccer field, or even on vacation. It's truly a business that you can take wherever you go. So if you're looking for an opportunity to start your own permanent business with a proven system, I'm ready to help you get started.